What's up, y'all? So, I want to talk about this little project that I'm working on. So, I always wanted to have like one of those little army jackets with the little patches, different designs and styles of, patches or whatever. So, I found a girl that sells patches and stuff like that. Now, she does, the custom jackets if you want it done, but I wanted to do it myself, see if I can do it myself. So, I ordered, different styles of patches and stuff like that. And then I ordered me a jacket and all of that. So, two of the patches they had to be sewn on. I could have used like fabric glue, but I just wanted those because they were like the one of them's pretty big, but I just wanted them sewed on. So I took them to a seamstress and she sewed them on for me. She just did like two, and the rest of them are Chanel patches. So I hope I said that right. They come with instructions on how to put the heat and iron. They're iron on patches. So I'm about to do that and show you guys the process. I did one just to test it, and it came out good. So I was like, ooh, I could do the other ones. So stay tuned. All right, hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm at home, so I look kind of homey. Got my hair slipped back, my little bathrobe. But anyway, so this is my little setup, right? I don't have one of them little heat presses. I ain't about to, invest in all that stuff. So I got my little iron. It's on the highest temperature. Do not steam. And then I got my my ironing board. Cause I don't feel like getting on the table and doing all that. So I just want to sit on the floor and do this. So I'm gonna show you. I already did one patch. I'm gonna place them all, and then yeah. So just stay tuned, okay? Okay, so I don't have this patch on yet, but this is one of the patches, right? But I got like a whole bag of them. Anyway, this is the jacket, okay? So this is what it looked like. So I had this patch. Let me get closer. I had this patch sewn on. You can't see that sewn. It's like sewn. And then I got this patch on the back. It's sewn on too. So you can kind of see. All right, so this is the jacket. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to say something. So, like I said, I already did one little patch. It's a small blue star. I just wanted to see how it looks. So let me show you. Hold on. So it's like right there, and so it's dry and everything. So I'm excited. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put the other stars on. So stay tuned. So so I got a whole bunch of these little blue stars. So just get them all out. All right, hey buddy. So I'm gonna put this one on there. I'm just putting this right here now so I can see how I want the stars like outside. So I think I had 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think I might put it around. Okay, cool. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like up close. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the heat to those stars and to this big patch in the middle. I just wanna show y'all what it looked like before I put the heat on it. Okay, so I have my little Teflon paper here. I'm gonna do these two right here. So I'm gonna pick these up and I just kind of get it hot a little bit, and then place it here and place it here. Then I'm gonna put this on here, and then I'm gonna just place this here, and I'm gonna apply pressure. I'm gonna let it for like 1 minute. So 10. And don't like iron back and forth. You're just applying pressure. All right, it's on there, so you don't touch it, you just let it cool, okay? I'm gonna do these other ones, and then I'm gonna show you the finish. Then we'll do this one in the middle, okay? Okay, y'all, so the blue patches are on, as you can see, not coming up. I'm about to do this one. And just so y'all can see it more up close, this is a female lion. And so this is what the chenille patches look like. It kind of got that little glossiness appearance. So this patch here, it was kind of more like like a like you needed to sew it on. It didn't have like that little shiny little thing or whatever. So these are called applique patches, and then this is called a chenille patch. I hope I'm saying the words right. If not, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the iron on this one so we can get this one attached. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm kind of doing like this whole area like several times because it's a big patch. So it's doing pretty good. I'm going to do this middle part one more time. I think this one's good. Take everything off. So it's a little hot, so we got to let it cool off a little bit. But these are good. They're on there. So we're going to let that cool off. Okay, so the patch has cooled off just a little bit. So it's on there. Y'all can see it ain't coming off. So I'm going to turn it over and iron this part. I don't have to, but I just want to make sure everything is secure on the outside. Okay? The instructions say like you don't have to do this, but I'm just making sure it's secure. And I'm only doing it for a few seconds. I'm not about to do it the whole minute. And I can feel them right here, so okay. Oh, I need to cut that little string. Okay. So boom. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the front going. I'm gonna go ahead and iron this because when I had it on the other side, as you can see, this is like standing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron that down a little bit. It's got a little wrinkle in it. Let's get these wrinkles out. Okay. We did a little bit. It'll be all right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and iron on my other patches. I just want to show y'all what my other patches look like. Is that not cute? And then this one, living my blessed life. Then this one. Then this one. And then this one. And then this is my favorite one. I got this one custom made. Is that not cute? Look at there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place these and we're going to get these iron on. Stay tuned. Okay, I think I'm going to put this one right there. Put that one there. That one there. This one there. And that one there. I'm going to start at the top first. I'm going to do this one first. Okay. All right, this is the last one, y'all. Gonna put this one on. All right, this on there. So I'm gonna turn this inside out and put the heat on the inside. I'm gonna cut this little string. Okay, I think I'm all done with the jacket. So I got like 2 extra stars, so I'm gonna put them somewhere back here. Might just put them right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put them right there. Hey, buddy. What you want? It's too hot. No, Mo. Thank you. Good boy. Where you going? All right. Got those last 2 on there. Let me flip it over. Ah, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, y'all, the jacket is done. All right, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit because these patches are still hot, and then we'll come back. So I totally forgot to tell y'all the type of paper this is. This is Teflon paper. It came in a little pack like this. I think it's like 2 more sheets. I got it off Amazon for like $3.99. They had like big rolls, but I obviously didn't need that for this. And these seems like they can be reusable, because I don't think you can really damage it or whatever. But that's what I use to cover the patches to put the heat on it, because you don't want to apply the heat to the patches itself. So you got to cover it up. But everything came out good, so I'm still letting it cool off. Once it cooled off, then I'm going to try on the jacket and show y'all what everything looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I finished the jacket, so this is what it looks like. The stars. And then that. Get a closer view. And then on this side. I was thinking about covering that up, but whatever. I'm still debating about it. And then that. And so, yeah. I can't wait to try it on, because I got like 2 little outfits I'm gonna wear with it and my little combat boots. But anyway, let me try the jacket on so y'all can see. Alright. So, don't mind my appearance now, because y'all know I'm gonna look cute. What? Okay, check out the back. And I may roll the sleeves up like one more time. Yeah. I thought about moving the lion up a little bit, but that star is right there, but it's still cute. So that's it, y'all. That's my little custom jacket. I may add like one more patch here, but I don't know which patch just yet. But that's it, y'all. I had fun making this jacket. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to take some pictures so you can see how fly I look with it when I'm all done up. What's up, y'all? So I wanted to show y'all the final, with me with the little outfit and my jacket, right? Okay, so hold on. So I got on all black. I got my little combat boots on. I just threw on just a little hat. So this is the final jacket. Well, the final product. So I'm gonna put it on. I rolled up the sleeves because I'm short and it's long, so I rolled up the sleeves and boom. So that's what it looks like. The final products. Yeah, she cute. So I just tried to put it together. So I just want to show y'all what it looks like. Boom. All right, bye.